Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 7 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We will start our lesson from unit 5, the farmer and the apple tree. SLOs of this lesson are: use adverbs of manner, time, place, frequency, degree and reason. So in this lesson we are going to discuss the types of adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb tells you or modifies the verb that when the action is taken, how, why, where, how much, how often. An adverb will describe a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It also describes an adjective. We will discuss it, how it describes an adjective or another adverb. It tells us how, where, when, how much and with what frequency an adverb can tell. How the action is taking place or how the action is done: quietly, peacefully, carefully, slowly, badly, closely, easily, well, fast, quickly, cheerfully. Let me give you example in sentences. She is sleeping peacefully. Here you can see the peacefully is an adverb and it is modifying or telling you about the action sleeping here. She is a subject here, the doer of the action is sleeping here, the verb here, and peacefully is here an adverb which is modifying this sleeping here, and peacefully is here an adverb. It telling you that how the action is done, yes, peacefully, in a peaceful manner. Let me give you another example. Ali is typing slowly. Here you can see Ali is the doer of the action, typing is an action or verb, and slowly is what? Yes, an adverb. It is modifying the action typing here and it's telling you that how the action is done, in which manner. Yes, slowly. Let's move to this one, where the action is taken place: above, abroad, far, away, back, here, outside, backward, behind, below, down. For example, my mother is waiting for you outside. So here the waiting is a verb here and outside is an adverb here. It's modifying that my mother, the doer of the action, is waiting, is an action here, the waiting, and where the action is taken place, yes, outside. She is waiting outside. The action is taken place outside. Another example: you have to come here. So come is the verb here and here is here is an adverb. Adverb of what? Adverb of place. Yes, we call it adverb of place. Come is here the verb and here is an adverb which is modifying the verb come here. That where the action is taken place? Yes, here. Or it can be the name of the place. For example, school, airport, wedding hall, class. It can be anything. Where can cover all the places too where the action is there. For example, my mother is waiting for you at airport. I am going to school. School is a place and going is a verb here. So the adverb of place also cover all the places too where the action is done. It tells you about the place. Let's move to this one, when. It tells you that when the action is done. Yes, now, yesterday, soon, later, tomorrow, yet, already, tonight, today. Then last year morning, it tells you about the time also at 9 o'clock, at 12 o'clock, at 10 p.m. tomorrow, yet, already, tonight, today, all the time, all the possibility of when the action is done. For example, I am reading now. The reading is a verb and now is an adverb. Now is modifying and telling you more about the verb reading here. It is modifying it. I will watch a movie tonight. So, when the action will happen? Yes, tonight. Watching movie. Watch is a verb and tonight is a adverb of time here. When the action is taking place. Now let's move to this one. How much? To which extent, to which degree the verb is done. Quite, fairly, too, enormously, entirely, very, extremely, rather, almost, absolutely, or just. How? Let me tell you, and it also tells you about the adjective. It also modifies the adjective. Let me explain it to you how. The coffee is too hot. Can you spot out the adjective here? Yes, the hot is an adjective here. And the too is, yes, adverb of degree. We also call it adverb of degree. How much the action is done. So, here the adverb is to, the adverb of degree, and the hot is an adjective. As you can see, the adverb of degree is modifying the adjective here, hot. The hot is an adjective here. The quality of a noun. Here the coffee is a noun here. And the hot is an adjective and to is an adverb of degree, in which we cover how much the action is done, to which extent and to which degree. For example, I am extremely happy. Yes, again we have an adjective happy and extremely is a adverb of degree here. So, we can see the adverb of degree is also telling you about or modifying the adjective true here. Happy is an adjective and extremely is an adverb of degree. Okay, this one, how often? This is called the adverb of frequency. How much or how often? There is a difference between how much and how often. The action is done here. Always, sometimes, often, and often, frequently, normally, generally, usually, occasionally, seldom, rarely, never. It covers all this. Barely. You can also say rarely. So many adverb of frequency we have. So, let me give you an example. I rarely go to restaurants. So, I rarely go to restaurant. Go is a verb here and rarely is a what? Yes, adverb of frequency, that he rarely go to the restaurants for eating. She always speaks the truth. Always is a what? An adverb of frequency, and speak is what? Yes, verb here. It is modifying it. Frequently, Ali frequently go to the park. Here the go is a verb and frequently is verb. What? An adverb of frequency here. So, you have a very good idea of different types of adverbs here. How, where, when, how much and how often. It tells you how, where, when, how much, and with what frequency an action is done. This is your home task. What you need to do: identify which type of adverb the bold capital words are. The bold capital words are these: hardly, loudly, never, greedily, quite, gently, inside, completely, frequently, outside. All the types of adverb which we have discussed earlier in this lesson, you have to find out which type of adverb is this. The bold letters in the sentences here. Just read the sentences first and then identify it. Just write here like this in a blank, and adverb of manner, write it. Adverb of manner tells you in which manner the action is done. You have to write like this. If this is a adverb of manner, just draw a line and write on it. We have 10 sentences here. You have to identify each bold capital word. Read the sentence first and then identify it. It will be very easy for you. I hope you will do your homework and enjoy this lesson. If you have any confusion regarding the topic, you can revise it and rewatch it. And if you feel any difficulty, you can leave a message in a comment box. Thank you.